Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you 5 powerful AI tools to help save time, boost creativity, and improve your content. So the first one is Pictory.ai. Pictory is perfect for creating social media videos. Just paste your script or blog post and it turns it into professional videos with captions and voiceovers. It is great for presentations or turning blog posts into videos. Pictory AI is a great AI to make your long videos into a short reels. So now let's move forward to the next AI, which is basically InVideo.ai. InVideo.ai. InVideo helps create marketing content, promo videos, and ads with customizable templates. You don't need any editing skills to make videos in this AI. It also has AI powered voiceovers and pre-made templates for different industries. You can generate full videos without needing a credit card. So now let's move forward to the next AI, which is basically Creatify. Creatify is great for making professional presentations. It allows you to create talking head videos using avatars. It is perfect for explainer videos and product showcase with realistic AI avatars and support for multiple languages. Creatify is a great AI to make ads for your products. If you are selling any online products, it is one of the great AI to make easy product based ads. Now let's move forward to the next AI, which is basically DeepBrain AI. DeepBrain is ideal for explainer videos with custom avatars. It turns scripts into dynamic visuals, making it great for educational or training content. It is limited to explainer videos but is great for bloggers or tutorial creators. So the next AI which I'm gonna show you is the Flicky AI. Flicky is one of the best for storytelling and narration types videos. It has realistic AI voice generation and text to speech support. It is perfect for explainer videos or narrations. So this is a great AI you can also use to make your videos easily and save times. Now let's move forward to the next AI which we are going to show you, which is basically Sora.ai. Sora AI turns text into video contents. It is one of the best for generating AI videos and is great for short form content, marketing, ads, and storytelling. Sora has a limited free version, but you can try it out with a paid OpenAI plan. So that's it, there you go. You can try these tools like Pictory, InVideo, Creative, DeepBrain, Flicky, and Sora to start creating AI generated videos. Let me know in the comments which one you like the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more great content. Thanks for watching.